In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically count characters in WPS Office. If you need to meet a character or word limit for a form, social post, or publication, WPS Office makes it simple to keep track while you write. Here's how to see your counts instantly, without any manual math. Start by opening WPS Office and loading the document you want to work on in WPS Writer. With your document open, look toward the top of the window for the main ribbon. Depending on your version or layout, you'll find the option you need inside either the Tools tab or the Review tab. Both tabs are in the ribbon bar at the top, next to familiar menus like Home and Insert. If you don't see it in one tab, just check the other. The feature is the same. It's simply grouped differently across versions. Once you're in the right tab, choose Word Count or Character Count. The label may vary slightly, but either one will open the same counting panel. As soon as you select it, WPS Office automatically calculates and displays your document statistics. You'll see the character count, the total word count, the number of paragraphs, and the number of pages. In some versions, the character count may distinguish between characters with spaces and without spaces, which can be especially helpful when you're aiming for strict limits. Leave this small window open as you work. The best part is that it updates live. Keep typing, editing, or formatting your document and watch the counts refresh automatically in real time. This makes it easy to fine-tune a paragraph or headline until it fits your target. If the panel overlaps your text, you can drag it to an open area of your screen so it's visible but out of the way. You don't need to reopen it after every change. It continues tracking while it's open. When you're finished reviewing your counts, close the word count window. This won't change anything in your document, it simply hides the panel. Finally, save your document to keep your latest edits. Using the save command regularly ensures your content and any adjustments you made to hit a specific count are preserved. And that's it. Open your file, go to Tools or Review, select Word Count or Character Count, let WPS Office do the counting for you, keep writing while it updates automatically, close the panel when you're done, and save your work. With this workflow, staying on target for characters, words, paragraphs, and pages becomes effortless.